Good morning, students. I welcome you all. Myself Baby Rawat, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today I will discuss fourth chapter of your translation book, use of has, have and have. Has and have we use in present tense and had is used in past tense. So let's begin. Use of has, have, had. प्रेजेंट टेंस में सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार हैज हैव का प्रयोग कर ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट का प्रयोग किया जाता है। हैज का प्रयोग सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ होता है, हैव का प्रयोग यू आई तथा प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ होता है। पास्ट टेंस में हैड का प्रयोग सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ होता है। सी इट इज रिटन हियर दैट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस वी यूज हैज एंड हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. Either has or have we will use. And in past tense, had is used. Now, how to use has or have? How to choose whether we have to use has or have? So, it is written here with I, first person, I, second person, you, and plural, all plural subject, whether it is first person we, or third person they, or more than two things, persons, people, etc. So here has का प्रयोग singular and has is used with third person singular like he, she, it, he has, she has, it has, right? And I have, you have, we have, they have, all right? And past tense, whether it is I, whatever subject we have in past tense, we have only had to use. We have no any other option, right? So in past tense, only had we have. Always remember that had is used in past tense and has, have we use in present tense. So there is no confusion in past tense because we have only had, and in present tense we have to has and have, and we have to choose. So according to subject we choose. So with I, you, and plural subjects like we, they, we use have. And if subject is third person singular like he, she, it, etc. so we use has. So with these examples we will understand it. मेरे पास पुस्तक नहीं है. अब you can see here that one book is here and we are using I. So I have no book, right? Or I have not a book. I, मेरे, I. So with I we will use have. Second, मेरे पास एक कलम है. Again I. So I have a pen. With I have. उनके पास कई पुस्तकें थी. उनके, they. It is third person singular. So we will use थी. थी. Past tense is here. So we will use had because already we have discussed we have no other option. We have to use had only in past tense. So उनके पास कई पुस्तकें थी. They had many books. मोहन के पास एक सुंदर घड़ी है. मोहन is third person singular. So we will use has and it is written have here present tense. So मोहन has a beautiful watch. मेरे पास एक अच्छी पुस्तक नहीं थी. Now again past थी. So we have no option, only had we can use. So मेरे पास एक अच्छी पुस्तक नहीं थी. I had not a good book. क्या हमारे पास अनेक गायें थी? It is question mark. So we will use whenever it is question mark, has, have, had, we have to use at the beginning of that sentence. So थी is there. So we know that we have only one option, and what is that option? Had. We will start with had. Had we many cows, right? So here it is written that नकारात्मक वाक्यों में has, have, had के बाद not का प्रयोग किया जाता है. After has or have or had, we have to use not. And प्रश्नवाचक वाक्यों में have, had का प्रयोग वाक्य के आरंभ में किया जाता है. So in negative sentences, just after has, have, had, we have to use not. And in interrogative sentences, we have to use has, have, had in the beginning of that sentence. Now we will do exercise. Translate the following sentences into English. उसके पास एक काला कुत्ता है. है is present tense. उसके, he is third person singular. So he has a black dog. Right? So you have to see two things. One subject and one tense. Which tense is this? रवीश के पास एक अच्छा घोड़ा था. We have to use only and only had. Right? Because it is past tense. Tha. Ravish, again, third person singular. Ravish had a good horse. Already I have told you that in past tense we have only one option, and that is had. Whether subject is first person, second person, third person, singular, plural. If it is past tense, then we have only one option, and that is had. अध्यापक के पास एक पुस्तक थी. Again it is past tense. So the teacher had a book. मेरे पास एक नया कंप्यूटर है. है is present tense. मेरे, I. With I we will use have. I have a new computer. उसके पास एक अंगूठी है. है present tense. उसके, third person singular, he or she. Then we will use has. He has a ring or she has a ring. So 5 we have done as classwork, and rest you will do as homework. Next question is, translate the following sentences into Hindi. You have 2 brothers. तुम्हारे पास 2 भाई हैं या तुम्हारे 2 भाई हैं. The washerman has a cake of soap. Washerman, धोबी, has present. So धोबी के पास एक साबुन की टिकिया है. Has. It is, please see it. Has. So whenever you will do all the sentences, keep it in your mind. Focus on this, whether it is written has or had or have. My brother had 5 cars. Had, past. So मेरे भाई के पास 5 गाड़ियां थी. Had is written here, so we will write थी, had. Ravish's brother had many storybooks. Had again, so we have to write थी, थे. So रवीश के भाई के पास कई कहानियों की किताबें थी. You had not any toys to play. You had not any toys to play. You had again, था, थे, थी. तो तुम्हारे पास खेलने के लिए कोई खिलौना नहीं था. I repeat, you had not any toys to play. तुम्हारे पास खेलने के लिए कोई खिलौना नहीं था. एंड हेयर स्टोरी बुक्स, कहानियों की किताबों के साथ साथ आप कहानियों की पुस्तकें भी लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट कहानियों की किताबें ऑल्सो एंड कहानियों की पुस्तकें ऑल्सो. बोथ आर करेक्ट. So 5 we have done as classwork, and rest you will do as homework. Whenever you will fill this book, please write with sharpened pencil. Nobody will use pen. I repeat, nobody will use pen or rough pencil. Write with sharpened pencil, so that when we will discuss at the time of revision, when we will discuss all these sentences, you will be able to recorrect if you have done any mistake. So that's all for today, students. I wish you good health. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.